Good afternoon from Grand Valley Farm. We're out here mowing again. We've dropped it down to like 1.75 or so. See how well this does mulching. Try to get down low so we can get the holes where the tree holes were exposed, so we can fill those in. The Christmas trees were, we pulled them out. We didn't fill them in at that time. The grass grew over them, they were hard to find. So we're also mowing down the chokeweed here so I can spray it so I can replant. But so far so good. You gotta lift it over those rocks here. We made a loop around to another path there. We can see how low it is. It's looking like it's doing a good job. So we're gonna see if we can mow this whole thing this low and hopefully by those tree holes. Well, this is what it looks like at 1.75 in height. Pretty low. Leaving some grass behind because we're mulching, but we are cutting quite a bit off from what we did before once it's grown. So still what I needed to do. I can see the tree holes, some of them over here, and I feel a few. Anyway, we gotta get this down, fill those holes up so no one trips in them. But anyway, I think the next cutting will probably be better, just because we have a lot of grass left over from when it was really tall, and we cut it and it's laying on the lawn. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with this tractor. Well, it didn't turn out too bad for being on a low setting, and clippings from the last time still kind of laying on there. We'll go ahead and probably plant some of this bare spots here, and then start watering again. Anyway, it's been a great day. Thanks for watching. Hope your day is as good as mine.